Sir, can I show you?
Yes, anyone want to show anything?
Sir,
Tejdeep is
I
showing.
want to show.
Wait, Tejdeep is showing. Tejdeep is already presenting screen. So let me see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This type of craft also you can make, right? For Kargil Vijay Divas.
Sir, what? So what
From the
are the
name,
people again? So I am joining
oh, you
late.
have joined late. So listen, on 26 July we have Kargil Vijay Divas. ठीक है? 26 जनवरी 26 जुलाई को. So for that day we have to make. It can be a poster, a craft, or it can be any drawing related to Kargil youth, a Kargil war. You know what is a Kargil war? A
Sir,
war
no.
between
So
a
this
war
is the
between.
competition.
Yes, Sayan.
So this is a competition.
No, not competition. This is a classwork. Okay, this is a classwork
Yes,
only
sir.
for your class. Okay, so Kargil Youth, Kargil War, a war between India and Pakistan in the year 1999. Means the Indian soldiers and the Pakistan soldiers fought in between, and the
Sir, in
India
the
won.
border.
Yes, in the border of India and Pakistan. So India won on that. So we give tribute to the
Sir,
heroes
in this place called
of Indian Army.
Kargil.
Yes, yes. That the name of the war is Kargil
Can
Youth.
I show you one drawing that I and my brother made?
Yes, Deborah, show me. So the name of that youth, that name of that war is Kargil Youth. war का नाम है Kargil war. हाँ? In Hindi we can say Kargil Vijay Divas. हाँ. This one you have drawn. Wow, very nice. Very nice. The buildings and the background, mountain, looks very nice. But you have not make margin, right? Everything is good. Color is also good, but two things is missing, huh? Margin and name. Always write your name, huh? Keep a practice of writing name in every work, huh? Like artist. What artists do? He always give a write a name in below their work, है ना? अपने work के नीचे हमेशा एक artist नाम लिखता है ना? So to identify किसने काम किया है, right? Like a signature. So always try to give your name at the bottom of your work. Yes.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I write my name, see?
Okay, on the top, na? So it is
Yes,
better
sir.
that give a margin and below the margin you can write. Like this also you can write, no
Okay.
problem. This is also good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you written then good.
My brother also helped me.
Okay, your brother also help you.
Sir?
In which class? In which class? Yes,
Hello, sir.
yes. Yes, I'm showing
Can you
anything.
see my drawing? I am just telling that कि हम लोग को इंडिपेंडेंस डे का ड्राइंग बनाना है.
No, not for Independence Day. For 26 July, 26 July, not Independence Day. Means Kargil
Sir,
war.
I saw it.
Kargil Vijay
क्या?
Divas.
Mine.
Sir, not
So,
understand. Sir, how it is? Hello, sir.
wait,
So
let
what
me
is
see
in
all the work
26?
first.
So what is the special in 26 January? 26 July?
You have joined late.
Yes, sir.
I've already told. Listen. So those who have joined late, I'm telling again. So on 26 July, there is a war.
Sir, I
There was a
saw
war
the
between
drawing.
India and Pakistan. There was a
Hello,
war
sir.
between India and Pakistan, and that war name is Kargil war. The name of the war is Kargil war. So
Sir.
Yes, sir.
on that war, we used to give tribute to our Indian heroes, Indian army
Sir.
heroes. To give a tribute to the Indian heroes in our army.
Grab or pictures of
No,
Kargil.
I'm showing.
Sir, this is
Wait,
a
one second. Let
competition
me see
or
all the work. Classwork, not
sir, this is competition or normal class drawing?
normal classwork. This is not a competition, a classwork.
Sir, I can draw this.
Okay, let me show you something. Show you for the example. I'm showing you some pictures. After that, I will see your works.
Sir, I see my drawing.
The picture.
Don't present. Stop presenting. I'm showing you some pictures. Yes,
Hello,
yes.
sir.
You
Yes.
send pictures in our group.
You can send picture in the group. No problem. You can send picture. Sayan, just wait. I will see your work.
हेलो सर
Trideep also wait. Yes.
हेलो सर मैंने एक ड्राइंग किया वो मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ
Wait. पहले मैं दिखा दूँ कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिखा दूँ क्या करना है ठीक है. Let me show you some examples. After
ठीक
that I will see your work.
ठीक ओके सर
Look.
Please tell in English.
Look. This type of try to show. Don't try to make some simple drawings. Try to make something difficult, something unique, not difficult, something different from others. You can show some fights between the armies. You can show Indian army. You can don't try to draw only flag. सिर्फ flag draw मत करना. Try to do something
Sir,
different.
what we have
Which fun.
to search in Google?
Sir, but it
You can
is
search
much hard, I think.
Kargil. No, not this. I'm showing you some more examples.
Sir,
Like this you can
Kargil
draw.
war. Sir, we can search Kargil war poster.
कारगिल वॉर पोस्टर इंडियन आर्मी पोस्टर्स या फिर कारगिल विजय दिवस पेंटिंग्स like this you can search if you search Kargil Vijay Divas paintings only flags will come only flags if you look like
Can you send in our group?
yes few drawings I will send you in your group so don't search don't do only flags because if you make only flag it will look like Independence Day so don't try to make only flags try to make something different it can be a fight between the armies it can be a tribute like this a girl is giving a tribute to the army like this also you can do army is there a soldier is there
सर
Like
वाटर
soldiers,
कलर पे अच्छा होगा ना पेस्टल कलर पे अच्छा होगा
you can do any color it depends on you whatever is best for you if you are good in watercolor you can do watercolor if you want more if you are good in pastel color you can do pastel color
सर ओके सर
नहीं मैंने नहीं बनाया yes
सर शो समथिंग क्राफ्ट
craft one craft has shown by Kostav I have seen which who has shown one craft some students shown me
सर आई
okay so first
सर आई शो
look
वन
at the
ड्राइंग सर आई शो वन ड्राइंग
drawing or craft
means for the Kargil War Divas I saw a drawing
okay
But we
So, I'm showing
can't see Kostab.
okay I will show you again I will show you again Kostav will show you again so let see what I am showing first few posters I am showing you so let's see first so in poster what is very important the text the writing is very important look this is like a poster this is digital poster not handmade made by computer so look the size of the text and the beautiness of the text is looking in a big size you have made in a big size
Yes,
so
sir.
like this you have to write the text drawing should also be there look there is also text you can write any quotes writing should be there writing is must there in Hindi you can write in Bengali you can write in English you can write any language will be there but writing should be there ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है देखो कितना इसने कितना लिखा है ना only gun is there and everything is writing so writing is very important in poster means writing है ना drawing and writing both the combination of both is called poster look salute to the Kargil war heroes so like this you can write these are digital posters not handmade look so handwriting should be very good you can use scale for your handwriting make it straight your coloring is inside the handwriting should be very perfect drawing is very simple but look at the handwriting it makes the drawing very beautiful so writing is very important Kargil Vijay Divas so not only you have to search drawing in Google yes in Google don't search drawing you can search posters like this digital posters from digital posters also you can make drawing है ना डिजिटल पोस्टर से भी ड्राइंग कर सकते हो सिर्फ ड्राइंग देख कर ही ड्राइंग करना ऐसा नहीं है ना you can see some real wars also you can draw from that also so this is also digital yes
सर मैंने सोचा एक ड्राइंग करूँगा तो वो वाला ड्राइंग मेरे को थोड़ा सा ये लग रहा है वाटर कलर पे करूँगा
I will see. Show me after this pictures. I will see your work. Huh? Then I will tell you what medium is better. So like this also you can draw. You can take a clay and you can take a cardboard or you can make a map like this and you can write on the top of that Jai Jawan, salute to our heroes. Like this you can make a craft also. है ना ऐसे craft भी बना सकते हो. With cardboard you can cut a map. Samrat, wait, don't present. Don't present now, huh? I will tell you when to present, huh? So first you make a cardboard, a base with cardboard, then on the top of that you cut another cardboard of map, Indian map. Then on top of that you can color and you can write Jai Jawan or any quote you can write related to Kargil Yudh. Salute our heroes also you can write, huh? So like this. And when you're taking picture of that, you can put it on the soil or on, look, like this you can put on the soil and you can take a picture. It will look good, huh? Location is also matter. जब तुम picture ले रहे हो कोई भी craft का, you can create a different background, है ना? कोई मिट्टी में रख के ले सकते हो, कोई घर पे रख के ले सकते हो. You can create a background. Pictures also important because you are sending pictures. So try to send good pictures, huh? Try to take good pictures. Like this also you can do. With this one. So all these are digital pictures. Try to make soldiers, huh? Don't make only flag. Try to make soldiers also. You can show fight. Look, this is you can draw this also. This looks very interesting, you know. You can draw this also. It will be easy. So these are drawings of fighting. Right? This is also a fighting scene. This is also a fighting scene. This one after winning. This is also the victory. This is showing the victory of Indian armies. है ना? जब वो जीत गए थे उसके बाद
Sir, in that time India won.
So these are the pictures. I will send you some of the
Hello.
pictures you can try. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this war, India is win.
India won that Kargil Yudh. So we are paying tribute to our Indian army, Indian heroes. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now let me show you some craft. मैं कुछ craft दिखाता हूँ. You can make cap. है ना? Cap कैसे बनाना है मैं दिखाता हूँ. In YouTube you will not get perfect cap. I have searched already, but I didn't get any perfect cap. Look, few caps are there.
Sir,
Look
this is
on
for
the
today's drawing.
yes today's drawing. You can make drawing. You can make craft. It depends on you. If you want to make craft,
Okay, sir.
you can make craft. Okay, look, you can make any frame. On inside the frame you can put some pictures of
Okay, sir.
army. You can some pictures of gun. You can make cap like this, you know, with Indian design, Indian army
Sir.
design.
Sir, can I think myself and draw?
Yes, you can think. It depends on you. I will send you some pictures. For help only. But it depends on you. What you want to draw, it depends on you. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
I make the
See.
second number cap.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I make the second number cap.
Second number cap is not for army, है ना? You have to make army cap. That is not for army. Look, see, this is very hard. That's why I'm not showing you the first video. You can make in a different way. Look, this is a very easy cap. You can make this cap also. Third one. You can make this cap also. But you have to make the texture. जो design है उसके ऊपर Indian Army design. That design you have to make on top of the cap. You have to draw that design.
Sir, I
You
make
can
this
take a
cap.
green paper. You can take normal white paper also. You can do this cap. But on top of that cap, you have to make the design. Design तुम्हें बनाना पड़ेगा to look like army. है ना? ये बहुत simple cap लग रहा है. This is not looking like army cap. So on top of that, you have to make the design. Design बना देना. Design like this. You can make any haphazard line, है ना? कुछ भी एक ऐसा बनाना. Round करके curved lines.
Okay.
And you can put 3 colors: dark green, light green, and one soil color is also there, na? Yellow ochre color is also there. So you can mix only 2 colors: light green, dark green. These 2 colors are enough. Light and dark green. Look, this is made with a different material. These are very hard, huh? So I'm not showing you this thing. You can make with cardboard also. Huh? Look, I'm showing you how to make with cardboard. Let me take the picture. Look, these caps are also there. Paper caps. You can origami. This is origami. You have to fold the cap.
Sir, I make origami caps.
Origami caps you can make, and few cardboard caps also you can make. How to make with cardboard I'm showing you, huh? Let me show you how to make with cardboard. So this type of
So how to make
batch you can make with cardboard.
सर मैं आप बोल
Cardboard also you
सकता
can
हूँ
make batch.
So can you show us?
Behind that cardboard, you have to attach one safety pin. That's enough. Batch I'm showing you batch, huh? दिखा रहा हूँ.
Sir, cardboard is
So
so
look at this
hard.
side.
How we can means the cap is.
It is very
Yes,
difficult to
sir.
cut. It is very difficult to cut the cardboard, but if you have perfect material, means good scissor, then it is easy. So you can use another different thing. You can use paper also, thick
Yes,
paper,
sir.
but paper should be thick, हाँ. पतला पेपर होगा तो वो बैच नहीं लगेगा, वो फोल्ड हो जाएगा. So try to take thick paper. So look, in this, for this round, you can take a cardboard. You can make a circle like this, ना. You can
Yes, sir.
you can cut a strip. एक ऐसा strip काटना लंबा. Then you can make it, fold it in a round. So round fold करने के बाद ये वाला बन जाएगा ना. This form you will get
Yes, sir.
after folding it in round. So after that you have to put a circle cardboard on top of
The
that. उसके ऊपर एक
circle is
circle
easy
cardboard
to
कट
make
के.
with a cardboard.
हाँ, circle is very easy. You have to cut in a straight line. एक ऐसा स्ट्रेट काटना सिर्फ पहले, है ना. पहले एक स्ट्रेट काटना, उसके बाद उसे फोल्ड करके राउंड कर देना. After that, after making a round, one side is blank because you have to wear the cap. One side is blank, but on the top you have to fill. ऊपर एक और सर्कल काट के उसको पेस्ट कर देना. Then you have 3 parts will be there. This part, after that the circle part on the top, and after that the front part. You have to make a design of the front part. So I'm not
The
showing you. I'm just
front
guiding
part
you.
is very easy. We can make it properly.
You can make it very properly. You can make it thin paper also. You can make it cardboard also. Just cut the shape and paste it. 3 shapes you needed. If you are making with cardboard, 3 shapes.
Sir, but how it will paste by gum?
You can paste with gum, no problem. But you have to hold it
But
for
sir,
few
it
seconds.
will fall down.
No. Fevicol is enough to paste wood also. Paper is very easy. You can
Okay, sir.
paste wood also with Fevicol. But you have to give time. Means
Okay,
look,
sir.
I'm showing you. Look, in my home, you have seen, na? I've made this. Wait. I've made this aeroplane. Look.
Sir, I can't see your aeroplane. Please on your microphone, then I can.
Sir is left.
Sir,
Sir left.
No, sir is here.
Look, you can see
Yes,
this
sir.
aeroplane. Look, the size of the aeroplane. I have totally made with cardboard, and I have pasted with Fevicol.
Yes, sir.
So Fevicol is enough.
So this
Sir, I cannot
is
see.
beautiful.
Yes. So this is.
So what is this?
So I've made an aeroplane with cardboard. Aeroplane with cardboard. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
The size is also very big. So you can. I pasted with cardboard. Fevicol. So Fevicol is enough, but you have to give time. Right? तुम्हें time देना पड़ेगा. You have to hold it for a few seconds.
Yes,
At
sir.
least not for a few seconds. You have to hold it for. You can give pressure. You can put pressure on top of that for 1 or
And
2
sir, we
minutes.
can also let it dry with keeping it properly for 10 minutes or like
You
that.
can keep it properly for 10 minutes. But on top of that, you have to put something for the pressure. है ना? Suppose
Yes,
मैंने 2
sir.
पेपर पेस्ट किया. अब इसे मैंने 10 मिनट के छोड़ दिया. But you have to give pressure on the top. ऊपर कुछ रख देना. बुक या कॉपी कुछ रख देना. the heavy, something heavy, हाँ, उसके ऊपर रख देना और 10 minutes, then after 10 minutes it will be like a stone, बहुत hard हो जाएगा वो, ठीक है. So you can do like this, you can make a cap, you can make gun also with cardboard. So 3 days time are there, you can take your time and you can make it. So today is 22, I think, na, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20, up to 25 you have to give me. Because, yes.
This aeroplane tutorial you send in YouTube.
Yes, yes. In YouTube, I have sent this aeroplane tutorial, so you can see this how I'm pasting. मैं कैसे paste कर रहा हूँ आप देख सकते हो ना?
See this video in YouTube.
Yes, yes. This video is in YouTube. You can check how I'm making. How I'm pasting. You can see that in the channel. So do it like this, huh? With cardboard, you can make cap, gun. You can make badge also. I'm showing the badge. Badge भी दिखाता हूँ आपको. Which type of badge you can make?
हेलो सर, मैं आप बोल सकता हूँ?
Sir, in
Yes,
cardboard
yes,
we
Samrat.
can make.
सर मैं बोल रहा था 26 जुलाई के लिए मैं एक तो ड्राइंग सोचा वो वाला ड्राइंग करूंगा, तो मैं आपको वो वाला ड्राइंग दिखा सकता हूँ?
Okay, I will see. हाँ, just मुझे ये दिखाने दो, ये वीडियो एक लास्ट वीडियो, then I will see.
ठीक है.
लास्ट वीडियो, हाँ.
Sir, I can make a batch instead of what you told to make a drawing.
Yes.
Yes sir. Sir, can I make a batch?
You can make a batch. No problem. I'm showing you
Sir,
some batch.
instead of that drawing in Kargil war.
I'm not telling that you have to make drawing. Drawing is not compulsory. I'm just showing you everything. Craft also I'm showing. Batch is also I'm showing. Drawing is also I'm showing. Huh? So you can make anything. It's your choice what you want to make.
Sir, see the batch how to make. Please, I make the batch.
Sir, so one time
Yes.
I present my screen that I'm showing you that how to make the batch, which is I do.
Yes, show me.
Hello.
Yes, show
Okay,
me.
sir.
Show me. Okay, after that, Samrat, you show me your work. Huh? What you want to show me?
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sound is coming, Arya.
Sir,
Very much.
sir, see, this is I'm doing.
Yes, you can. If you want to do drawing, you can do this. No problem. But army
Yes,
should be
sir.
there because Kargil is totally about the army. So your army should be there. Not only flag, army also should be there. Look this craft. Look at this craft. On the top of wait.
Sir,
Don't.
this craft, I do this craft.
This type of badges you can make. This can also be a badge. This can also be a badge. A small badge. You can make a small badge like this. ठीक है, ऐसा badge बना सकते हो. Different designs of badge.
Sir, we can make a batch, but how can we add the safety pin in it?
You have to paste another paper on the background. ठीक है, पीछे एक और पेपर पेस्ट करना and on that paper you have to
safety pin with glue gun.
not with glue gun. Let me show you. Wait. I'm showing you how to paste it. Wait a minute. Yes. Wait. Look, suppose this is my badge, हाँ. A rectangular badge I am having. Suppose this is my badge. ये मेरा badge है. अब इसके पीछे मैं safety pin कैसे paste करूँगा? I have to take a thin paper like this. हाँ? एक thin paper लेना है ऐसा and put your safety pin and do it like this. Or you can put a sellotape like this. Understand? देखो ऐसे एक sellotape paste कर सकते हो.
Sir, but we can do with glue gun, no?
Glue gun also you can, but you can't move that. But after doing this, you can move the safety pin. Means you can make the safety pin move, huh? But if you put glue gun, it will be very stiff. वो बहुत stiff हो जाएगा ना. You can't move the safety pin.
Sir,
we can हिलेगा नहीं फिर.
Sir,
glue
gun is long lasting.
glue gun is long lasting, but you can't move the safety pin. वो safety pin move नहीं होगा फिर वो. Stiff हो जाएगा एक जगह.
Can we do with this? So can we do with double side sellotape?
double side sellotape also you can use. Double side sellotape is enough. Sellotape is enough. If you want to put glue gun, that is also okay. Glue gun. Double tape use करोगे तो only one side will be used. Both side use नहीं होगा ना.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
for pens, sir, for drawing, which
सर
type
मैं
of
आप
wheel
सिखा सकते
pencil
हो?
use?
Yes, Samrat, Somi.
Sir, for
For
drawing, I
drawing,
can use. Sir, for drawing, I can use HB pencil.
हाँ, for drawing you can use HB pencil. Drawing के लिए हमेशा HB use करना because HB is very light. So always use light pencil for drawing. And after shading you can use different type of pencil. 2B, 4B, 6B. Yes, this one.
Sir, I saw my drawing.
Yes. Yes. Samrat, show me what you are showing. After that, Sayan.
ओके सर.
Samrat, very less time is there. Show me, huh? What you want to show me. Yes, this is
हाँ,
HB, na? Debolina, you can use this. Yes, you can use this.
सर ये वाला ड्राइंग सर मैं सोच रहा था 26 जुलाई करूँगा.
26 July. Okay, okay. So choose different for 26 July. You can do it for now also. In Kargil youth also you can do this.
हाँ सर बहुत सारा ड्राइंग मिल रहा है.
Try to search different, हाँ कुछ different search करना because your
Okay,
work
sir.
looks should look different है ना. बाकी से different लगेगा. सब देखो हमेशा काम अच्छा होने से सिलेक्ट नहीं होता है. If your work is different, it will also be selected. है ना. अगर वो
Yes,
काम
sir.
तुम्हारा different है, very unique work is there, so it will also be selected. For your different thinking, for your different idea. Ideas should also be a different. Not only your work is good, but ideas should be different also. अगर idea different है, work different है, बाकी लोगों से अलग है, so वो भी select हो जाएगा ना, because of the uniqueness of the work. Color अच्छा नहीं हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, drawing अच्छा ना हो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, but your idea is different, that is also very good. So think about the idea also, not only about the drawing and coloring. Think about the idea, think about the selection. Writing should be there, Samrat. Huh? Text should be there. Must be there. Okay. Any other student who want to show something? Only 5 minutes we have. 9:40.
Sir, I.
So now I
Yes,
saw
Somi.
my drawing.
Yes, Sayan.
Sir, I
After
can
that.
show my screen.
Okay, after Sayan. Huh? After Sayan.
Sir,
Sayan is asking for so many times.
sir, please can I?
Yes. After Sayan you have to show. Sayan, what is this? Krishna. Oh wow. The hand looks very thin, Sayan. The hand that you have made, the right hand, it looks very thin. According to the body, बहुत पतला हो गया है ना. देखो हाथ. Rest part is very good. The face, the body looks very nice, but the hand that you have made looks very thin. बहुत पतला लग रहा है हाथ है ना. Make it little bit thick. Okay, first draw with pencil. Don't try to draw directly with marker or pen. First draw with pencil. Then after that, you have to apply marker or pen. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, everything is
Sir, I
only
want to do that. But I
with the
use
hand you
pencil
have to make it correct.
pen or marker.
Yes, Deborina, after.
Sir, I saw my screen.
Yes. You show me. After Deborina. Show me. Show me, I can't see. Huh. Write your real name. On your Google, you have to write your real name, huh?
Sir, can
Because
you
I'm
see
taking-
my screen?
Yes, I can see. All of you write your real name because I'm taking the screenshot for the attendance. If the name is not there, then how can I take the attendance? No? I'm taking screenshot. If the name is different, I can't understand which student is this. This drawing, right? So this craft.
Sir, I
And look, this
draw
type
this.
of craft also you can do. This type of craft you also you can do. This type of badges also you can do. You can make a butterfly for the badge
Okay, sir.
of tricolor butterfly, है ना? You can make badge like this. ठीक है, ऐसा badge भी बना सकते हैं. Butterfly बनाया, the tricolor butterfly. Yes, Debolina.
No, sir, nothing will tell you.
Okay, no. Any other student? Anything you want to show? Any problem you have? in today's classwork? You want to ask anything?
Yes, sir. Can I
Or-
show?
Yes, show me.
Okay, sir. I'm showing it.
Okay, so not only drawing, you can make anything. It depends on you. I will send you some example, but look, you can do this. You can add some different text also, है ना? Only Kargil Vijay Divas is written, so you can write any quote also on different part. जो लिखा है वो तुमने लिख दिया, उसके ऊपर अगर तुम स्काई में कुछ लिखना चाहते हो, you can write something different on the sky. You can write any quote also.
So can I do this?
हाँ, you can do this. No problem.
Sir, I only make one. Sir, I make only picture.
Drawing ना, drawing.
Yes, sir.
Drawing you can do, no problem. Now I'm taking the attendance. Just wait. So all of you write your real name, because few I know, and if someone is joining from different mobile, that is okay.
Sir, can I make one book? And inside the book there was one picture of army and flag.
Not book. If you are making book, you have to keep it open, है ना? तुम्हें पिक्चर क्लिक करने से ओपन रखना पड़ेगा. You can make frame बना सकते हो. You can make. I have taken attendance. So those who understand, they can left. Time is already over. So those who understand what you will do, you can leave the class. If you have any confusion, you can ask me now.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.